Okay, all right. Some movement on the future retail resolution. Thanks, Ritu, for that. But one stock that I'm tracking is Apollo Hospitals. That stock is doing well in today's trading session. That is on the back of its Q2 numbers. Now, revenue is up around 14% on a year-on-year basis. The street was anticipating a 6% growth. So that's come in better than expectations. Margins have come in at 13% versus 16.5%. Street was anticipating around 13.5% in terms of margin. So it's largely in line, you'd have to say, and it's flat on a Q-on-Q basis. Now, one of the reasons why the margins have been pulled down is because of the digital health and pharmacy segment. If you just go through their P&L, it's an EBIT loss of around 54 crores, which is higher on a Q-on-Q basis. Now, healthcare services, which is basically the bread and butter of Apollo Hospitals, the hospital business, revenue is up 5% year-on-year. Growth ex of vaccination, because same time last year they did over 200 crores of vaccination revenue because of COVID, is up around 12%. Overall occupancy has risen to 68% versus 60% Q-on-Q, and the company is guiding to hit 70% in terms of occupancies. Medical tourism, currently 7% of sales versus 9% pre-COVID on a blended basis. The metros are higher at around 15%. Company expects medical tourism to probably move to 10% of total sales by the end of this year. Apollo 24/7, everybody wants to know about that digital arm. The EBIT loss was 170 crores as per the management. This is versus 140 crores in the previous quarter. Next year, the company said they should be EBITDA neutral. They're seeing 50,000 transactions per day, higher bill value. The company is targeting a GMV of around 1,500 crores. We could hear something on fundraising by the end of the year. That's what they've said. And the total investment is around 2,000 crores, which is committed for Apollo 24/7. The company said they're generating enough cash flow to suffice it, and hence they are quite positive on that. Lastly, Apollo Health and Lifestyle, the diagnostic business along with the clinics, it's up 14% on a year-on-year basis and 27% on a Q-on-Q basis. So that's on Apollo Hospitals, doing well in today's trading session.
All right, we take that point, Ekta. What's doing well, though, however, the markets themselves are at the high point of trade. HDFC Twins is doing extremely well. And what's interesting is right now, the global markets have surged as well. Dow futures at the high point of trade. And we're seeing some weakness in dollar index, incremental weakness. In fact, it was at 108, and now it's sub that as well. So we will watch out for the second half in today's trading session. Take a short break, come back, talk about individual stocks. We have a bunch of them buzzing around as well. There you have the dollar index sub that 108 mark.